Many people ask, can I get my favorite Chrome extensions on my iPhone? The short answer is no, you cannot directly. But don't worry, there's a solution. In this video, I'll explain why it's not possible and show you the best workaround to get extension-like features on your phone. This is a common point of confusion. Here's the key reason. All web browsers on an iPhone, including Google Chrome, are required to use Apple's underlying WebKit engine. This engine doesn't support the same extension system as desktop Chrome. It's an Apple limitation, not a Google one. Apple's solution is Safari extensions. Many popular tools have a Safari version, and they work right inside your browser. Go to your settings, Safari, tap Extensions, then tap More Extensions to browse for extensions in the App Store. If you absolutely need a browser that supports Chrome extensions on your iPhone, there's a workaround using a third-party browser. Go to the App Store, search for a browser like Orion Browser or another that is known to support extensions, and then download and open the browser. To summarize, you cannot install Chrome extensions directly in the Chrome app on your iPhone. You can use Safari extensions which are available in the App Store. For true Chrome extension support, use a third-party browser like Orion that has built-in compatibility. Thanks for watching. I hope this cleared things up for you.